Hello, in this tutorial we will be talking about stacks. It's just like a pile of books. We will be doing this using C++. We will be using classes for implementation. In the private we have to declare an array of size 10 and type integer. This will be storing our elements. Integer top will be used to keep the track of our array indexes. In public section we have to make a constructor which will initialize the data members. We will make top equal to -1 because in the beginning we have nothing in the array. For inserting data we have to make a function named push and it will take one argument of type integer. First we have to check if the stack is not full, so if the top is not less than 10 in this case, so we are ready to insert our value. First we have increment top by 1. It will become 0, which is array's first element. And at that index we will assign our value. Else if the stack is full then we have to display stack is full. For deletion we have to make a function named prop. It will delete any element at top. So first we have to check if the stack is not empty. So if top is greater than -1 then decrease top by 1, it will virtually delete top element. Else if top is lesser than 0 then display stack is empty. If we need to get the element at top then we have to make a function of return type integer and name getTop. It will simply return array data at top. For displaying all stacks data we have to make a display function. We have to check if the stack is not empty. We have to use a for loop. It will start from top and come all the way down to 0 as the way stack works. We will display all array data with index. Or else display the message. In the main create object of stack class, we will push in some data, then display. This should display in order 1, 4, 2, because 1 was entered last. Excellent. If we pop then the one which is at top will be deleted and sequence will be 4, 2. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.